All right, we're gonna do some maths together, and we're gonna continue on from where we were at last time. So last time I know that we got up to A3, so and this is a different assessment, so we're gonna start at A4. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you kind of remember this?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. Here we go. So let's make this a little bit bigger. We're looking for A4. Here we go. Okay. So I just want you to tell me what number you can see here.
761, 432, 804, 897.
Okay, so tell me this number here.
143.
How many hundreds, tens, and ones are there in that number?
100, 4 tens, 3 ones.
Awesome. This one?
7 hundreds, no tens, and 4 ones.
This one?
2 hundreds, 2 tens, 4 ones.
This one?
8 hundreds, and then there's none for the other ones.
Cool. What is in the hundreds placeholder?
6.
What is in the tens placeholder?
9. Wait, 0.
What number is shown here?
236.
Awesome. This one?
364. 2.
Cool. Right, I'm going to show you some numbers here. I want you to tell me which number is the biggest out of these. Which one's the biggest?
714.
714?
714.
Cool. Now, can you order them here? Can you just write them in order from smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest? I don't mind. How did you order them? From biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest?
Smallest to biggest.
Cool. All right, we're going to move on to some slightly trickier numbers now. I don't know why I escaped that. We could have just kept going. So these ones here are going to get slightly more complicated. So let's have a go. This one here for me. Just tell me what number you see here. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I skipped one. My apologies. Can you write this number down here on the whiteboard in front of you? 1,200. 1,200. Um, 399. Cool. And then 4,078. 4,078. Cool. Awesome, cool. You can rub those out. Thank you. Right, so just like before, can you tell me what number is this one?
614.
Okay. And this one here?
970.
Can you break it up for me? So if you look at all of the different parts that are in the number, could you decompose that into the parts?
900.
And?
74.
Okay, awesome. Which one's in the thousands place here?
I don't know.
Okay. And then which one here is in the hundreds?
4.
Cool. What number is this one here?
278.
What's this one? Have you seen this one before? What's this?
10.
Okay. What is this number?
Like 34 or something.
Cool, awesome. Right, we're going to stop there. Good job. So we're going to move on to our addition this time, which is awesome. Addition and subtraction. So we are going to go start from where we were last time. That's right. So we're going to start from B4 again, and we'll just see how we get on. And you can use the paper and the pen here if you like, or you can go straight on the table for your working if you're interested, okay? Right, so there were 48 cows in the barn. Another 16 came in for a nap. How many were in the barn? So there were 48 cows in the barn. Another 16 came in for a nap. How many were in the barn?
32.
Are we sure? Another 16 came in for a nap. So they've come into the barn for a nap.
Oh.
That's okay.
Oh, wait. Is it?
So there were 48 cows in the barn. Another 16 came in for a nap. How many were in the barn? Okay, so if you've changed it now, how would you work that out?
40 plus 10, which is 50, and 8 plus 6, which is 14, and then you do 14 plus 50, which is 64.
Awesome, great work. I had 13 lollipops in my jar. I brought another 65. How many did I have in my jar?
78.
How'd you get that?
10 plus 60 is 70, and then 3 plus 5 is 8.
Awesome. All right, there were 55 motorbikes at the shop. 9 were sold to new owners. How many motorbikes were left for sale?
64.
How did you get that?
55 plus 9.
What made you decide to do plus? 55 plus 9.
Because there's more motorbikes.
Okay. All right, this one here. There were 74 donuts to sell at the school fair. 74, that's a lot of donuts, that's quite nice. 13 of them were sold. How many were left to sell? So there were 74 donuts to sell at the school fair, 74, which is what you've got. 13 of them were sold. How many were left to sell?
87.
Are you sure? 13 of them were sold.
Oh, so,
Okay, so 13 of them were sold. How many were left to sell?
7 minus 1 is 77.
How'd you get that?
4 minus 3 is 7. And then another 7.
Okay, awesome, good work. We're going to do one more. Let's just see how we go for this one. My sister had 59 teddy bear toys. That's a lot, 59. She got some more and now had 64. How many did she get? So she got some more. So my sister had 59 teddy bears. Yep, 59 teddy bears. She got some more and now had 64. How many did she get?
Plus?
You want to do plus?
Yeah. 63? 63?
If you've got 59 plus 64, right? So you're wanting to add these two together. So how could you solve that?
5 plus 6, 11. 9 plus 4 is 13. So that 24,
Okay.
but that's more than 20.
Oh. You think 240 now. What made you add the 0 on the end?
Because that's more than 24, and if you're adding, you can't have more.
Okay, so you think that there definitely has to be a 0 to make it in the hundreds. Cool, okay. Awesome, good job. We're going to move on to the next section now, which is a multiplication. Oh, how did we go with our multiplications last time? Not so... Oh, we did okay. We did all right. We'll do from exactly the same part that we did last time, okay? So we'll start from C3. You might remember the question. It's the one about the money first. Do you remember this one? So 3 people in class each had $10 for some treats. How much money do they have together? So 3 people each had $10 for some treats. How much do they have all together?
Oh. 30.
How'd you get 30?
Well, because it's 3 plus 10. But if you put it like this, it's you get rid of the 1 and put the 3 there.
How else could you have got that?
I can't explain it. It's like there's 3 10s and you
3 10s?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, next question. You can rub that out if you need some more space. A pizza has 5 slices in it. We ordered 8 pizzas. How many slices were there all together? You don't have to write it down. If you just know it in your mind, that's totally fine. This is just to help you.
40.
How'd you get that?
5 times 8.
Awesome. Okay. This one, Peter has 14 juice cartons in a box. He has 5 boxes of juice cartons all together. How many juice cartons did he have?
19.
How'd you get 19?
14 plus 5.
Okay. Awesome. Next one. There were 64 students at the swimming pool, which was 2 classes of students. Wow. 64 students at the swimming pool, which is 2 classes. How many were in each class?
I don't know.
Not sure. So any of our numbers that we know from this that we could use to help us? So you've got 64 there and 2. Okay, awesome. So there's 64 students at the swimming pool, which were 2 classes of students. How many were in each class?
66.
66? How'd you get 66?
64 plus 2.
Okay, awesome. Good try. Well done. Last one here for this one is a hot dog stand made $150 with each hot dog costing $5. How many hot dogs were sold?
I don't know.
Not sure?
I don't know.
You've got 150 and you've got 5.
155.
You think 155? How'd you get that?
150 plus 5.
Okay, awesome, great job. All right, we're going to move on to the last part here, which is our fractions. Awesome. So we're going to start from D2. D2, which is this one here. Here we go. All right. Let me just write that one here. So which one is half? You can touch it on the screen. Point to the one that's cut in half. Awesome. 1/4. Sorry, not 1/4. In quarters. Cut in quarters. You can point to it on the screen. Cool. The two shapes here that are cut in half. Awesome. Here is a pizza. Can you cut the pizza into quarters and draw a line where you think that would be? So you can just draw a line on the screen wherever you think quarters would be. Awesome. And then this one here, can you show me where you think half would be? Cool. Right, I've got 8 counters for you here. So we're just going to use blocks, which we're lucky we've got here. How many do we need? Awesome, 8 here. And we're going to share them equally between the 4 people. So I'm going to draw our person 1 here, our person 2 here, our person 3 here, and our person 4 here. Can you share these between the 4 people, please? How much does each person have?
2.
Oh, awesome. This one here, you've got 10 lollipops. Can you share those in half? 10 lollipops, can you share those in half?
Can I use the blocks?
If you need to, otherwise if you know the answer, you can just tell me the answer.
5.
Oh, awesome. 5 is half. Great job. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. So these ones are a little bit harder. Okay, so we'll just see how we go. What is this one here?
I don't know.
Not sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this one?
Half.
This one?
13.
Okay, this one. This one?
Half.
Or?
2, 4.
Okay. This one?
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. So this one here, I want you to write down this as a fraction. So use your pen, write me down what this one is as a fraction. As a fraction, what would that one be? Cool, this one here. What would this one be if we write it as a fraction? Cool. This one here, what would this one be? Cool, okay. I'm going to show you 3 fractions here, and I want you to put these in order from the smallest fraction to the biggest fraction, okay? Smallest to the biggest fraction. Okay, why did you do that? Why did you do it in that order?
Because 5 is bigger than 4.
Okay.
And then 2.
Oh, like, so you were looking at these numbers?
Yeah, so that's smallest to biggest.
Oh, you did that. Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Because
Awesome.
2 smallest, and then 4, and then 5.
Cool. Okay. This one here, can you work out this one for me? 1/2 of 8. 1/2 of 8. You don't have to write down if you know the answer. Totally fine.
4.
Oh, how do you know that so fast?
Because, no, half of 8.
Awesome. Okay. This one here, 1/3 of 6.
I don't know.
Not sure?
I don't know.
Okay. And then our last one here, oh, this one is 1/4 plus 2/4. So if you have 1/4 plus 2/4, how many quarters would that be all together? 3/8. Oh, how'd you get 3/8?
Because 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 4 plus 4 is 8.
Awesome. Cool. We're going to stop there because we're finished. But thank you so much. Great work.